Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away where they can't bother me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. You taught me how.
Naimbag nga Adayu pada Kailocano, siya ni Krisya iti AYAT ti Kailocoan. Tatang aldaw, intayo surpresayan ni Sir Jake nga agkasangay itang aldaw. Dating nga surpresa, ket inpatulod iti gayem na nga ni Maam Stella nga adat Hawaii. Nagayon! Intayon! Kakaiba ni si Jake. Dagagit araramutan kanupen ng habang awan is tapos bouquet of flowers. Tas adapay ka ninyo chicken. Ang adat yung singap ng pa-identity. Sino sir? Basto ka sir. Adating nga ruti mensahe na para kanya sir. Basahin lang lang. June 21, 2020. My dearest day, it's better late than never or safe than last. Wishing you all the blessings, happiness, and more monthsary and anniversary to us to celebrate. I love you Langga and I wish you again happy monthsary and happy birthday to you. Nag-sit ni Ma. Sige nga rin sir, ano tigay mo nga mensahe para kay ni Maam Stella?
Damdam na ngayon, ay, Tagalog na lang. Hindi ko na-expect to. Wala akong masabi, hindi. Thank you so much. Ingat ka palagi.
Tayuan ni sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sir Jake. Gadi nung kat nakaisurat, sir. Happy birthday and happy birthday. Make a wish nga rin din, sir. Sa mga
Darling, I will always cherish you today, tomorrow, and forever. And I'm sure when evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who could ask for more? You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. When I met you, you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. And it all began when I met you.
Maaytay nga ruden, tay surpresa ni Maam Stella at ni Brgy. Tajuray man nala daw iti panang surpresa na kanyana ket na paragsak tayo ismi. Ito maminsan man yan padak na ilocano, basta ayat ti kailocoan, serbisyo na ket mapagtalkan. Bye-bye!